Some houses just feel like home before you ever step inside. This is that house. Where the lights are always turned on and the door is always open. This was the go-to gathering spot, where cocktail hour wasn't just a moment, it was a ritual. Where friends and family stopped by, stayed longer than they meant to, and always left with a story or a smile. Built in 1950 and lovingly lived in ever since, this was the heart of the family. The walls may be simple, but they've seen birthday parties, holidays, and game nights that went way too late. There's a timeless charm here that hasn't been covered up or modernized because it never needed to be. The character? It's original, and the memories, they're priceless. This backyard hosted cookouts every summer. Lawn chairs circled up, cousins running wild, stories being told under string lights and stars. If these trees could talk, they'd probably laugh before they spoke. This wasn't just a house, it was the house. The place where people felt welcome, where holidays felt extra special, and where the door was always open. It's ready now for someone new. Someone who can see past the vintage wallpaper and feel the heartbeat of what's always made this place special: connection, love, and home. If you're the kind of person who doesn't just want to buy a house, but wants to carry on a legacy of laughter, love, and life well lived, this might just be the one for you.